Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Alka. In this video, I am going to show you how to prepare a very popular and delicious red velvet cake. I have prepared this cake without oven and without egg. This cake can be very soft, spongy and velvety in texture without using egg. Let's get started. Grease the cake tin with some oil or ghee using a brush. This is to prevent sticking the cake to the tin. After that, I am placing the butter paper to the tin. If you don't have butter paper, you can just dust the tin with the all-purpose flour and take out the excess flour from the tin. Again, I am going to apply some more oil into it. Now cake tin is ready. Keep it aside. Next, I am going to prepare buttermilk. For that, mix 1 teaspoon of vinegar to half cup of milk and mix it. Keep it aside. If you don't want to use buttermilk, you can alternately take half cup of fresh curd or yogurt. I am going to preheat the pressure cooker. Before that, remove the gas stick and whistle. This is very important. If you don't have pressure cooker, you can use big kadhai and preheat the kadhai for at least 10 minutes on medium flame. I have placed a stand in the pressure cooker. Let's prepare the cake batter. Take a mixing bowl. First I am going to put all the wet ingredients. For that I have taken 1/4 cup of condensed milk. Then adding 1/3 cup of sugar powder. I have grinded the granulated sugar in a mixer jar. Mix this mixture for at least 2 to 3 minutes properly. This will give a very creamy and soft texture to the cake. Since I have not used egg, so alternately I have used condensed milk. Adding 1/4 cup of sunflower oil. Use only unflavored odorless oil. Alternately, you can use 1/4 cup of melted butter. Adding the prepared buttermilk and mixing it well. Alternately, you can use curd. If you don't have condensed milk, you can increase the amount of the curd. Next, I am going to add dry ingredients. For that, I have taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Shift this to the mixing bowl. This is to prevent lumps in the batter, and this will make the cake more light and soft. Mix this mixture nicely by using a spatula by cut and fold method. For getting red color, I have taken 1/4 cup of milk and adding the red food color. Mix it well. Add the colored milk in batches to the batter and mixing it. We don't have to overmix the batter. And I have taken only half of the colored milk I have prepared. Then adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and half tablespoon of lemon juice, pinch of baking soda. This will react each other and this will help the cake to make a good shape and soft. This stage is very important. You have to do it at the end. Butter is ready. Now pouring to the cake tin. Tap it for at least 2 to 3 times to release the air bubbles. The pressure cooker is preheated. I am transferring the cake tin to the preheated pressure cooker and cover the lid and bake it for 30 to 40 minutes on low flame. If you are using micro oven, keep it in convection mode and preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade and bake it for 30 to 40 minutes. After 35 minutes, I am going to check the cake and inserting a knife, and knife has come clean and clear. That means cake is ready. Let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Then we can demold the cake. Remove the sides from the tin to make sure cake will come out without having any damage. Using a plate, I am going to demold the cake now. Cake has come out very well. I have removed the butter paper and now I am going to show you how cake is very soft, spongy and perfect red velvet in texture. I have prepared very basic sponge red velvet cake and keeping it as it is. You can decorate it as per your choice. Now I am going to cut it and show you how it looks from the inside. It looks very soft and perfect. I hope you like this recipe. Please click the like button and give your feedback in the comment section below. Give this a try and enjoy this super delicious red velvet cake at home with your family and friends. If you are watching my video first time and have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of new upcoming videos. Check out my channel for new interesting recipes and videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye. Enjoy.